Hi everyone, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do a prawn linguine. Very straightforward, not a lot of ingredients. Bound to taste delicious, doesn't it? If you're liking my videos and you're following along, please subscribe and then you'll keep up to date with all of that content that we add every week. But anyway, I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. So, traditional type of dish with a traditional tomato sauce. We're going to do a prawn linguine, and the ingredients are linguine, a little bit of garlic, some onion, some chopped cherry tomatoes, some chili flakes, some prawns, basil, which is not that easy to get these days. Obviously some cheese, although I have heard it say that Italians don't put cheese with seafood. I don't care. I'm putting cheese with seafood and a little bit of lemon to start it off. So let's get stuck in. Okay, let's do the prawns and get the prawns out of the way. Heat on, warm up that pan. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic, sliced, pinch or two of chili flakes, colour the prawns and take them off the heat, and then start concentrating on the tomato sauce. Prawns in. Move them around because we don't want them to burn too quickly, especially the garlic, because the garlic will go bitter. And of course when we take them out of the pan they'll continue cooking as well, so let's undercook them just a little. Get the colour on them and we'll move them out. Okay, they've been in for about a minute. Let's take them out, set them aside and concentrate on our sauce. So quite a bit of olive oil, maybe a quarter of a cup, something like that. Put in our chopped onion, turn the heat down and gently soften those onions up. Don't be in too much of a rush. We don't want brown onions, we just want soft, translucent onions, so take your time. Add in the remainder of the garlic. Pinch more of chili flakes, and let's take our time and just soften those down. Keep saying it, Rob, and it'll happen. Stop hitting the side of the pan. Let's add the tagliatelle. We've obviously got some salted water. I did see a recipe somewhere that said I've seen lots of pinches of salt, but I've also seen a few recipes where they're saying add a lot of salt. So this pasta water has quite a bit of salt in it, so 2 tablespoons, which seems an awful lot to me, but nowhere near some of the level of salt that I've seen go in. Okay, we're going to add the tomato now to the sauce. Add that in. I've just got a 400 gram tin cherry tomatoes. What we'll do, just break those down with the spoon or back of a fork. Does the job, just to get all those juices out. Stop banging the side of the pan. Okay, mix those in. Two tablespoons of tomato puree. Looked about right. Heat up time a little bit now. Let's remember, of course, whenever you're cooking pasta, it says 10 minutes, 9 minutes on the back of the packet. Always cook it for probably a minute or two less, because it will still be cooking when you add it into the sauce. Okay, we've got that warming up. I'm going to add now a good tablespoon of basil. And just mix that in a little bit. Stop banging the side of the pan! And only because I saw them in the fridge earlier and I didn't mention them in the ingredients, I'm going to add some capers. Only a teaspoon of capers, but I do like them. And we like them anyway, so an optional addition. Okay, what you might see is, you can see the skin there of the tomatoes. It's not too bad for this dish, but if you're not a fan of having the skins in there, there is on my channel a 1-minute video showing you how to remove the skin so you don't get any of those on there. Let's have a little try. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. Pasta's done. What we're going to do is just briefly reintroduce the prawns into our sauce. Give that a quick mix, and then squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. Pour them in. And in, let's get the pasta in. Stop tapping the side of the pan. stop. It's clearly a habit. If you don't like it and you're getting fed up with me bashing the side of the pan, leave a comment down below and tell me that it's irritating you. And I'll try and stop doing it. And let's get it dished up. Stop hitting the side of the pan. There you go guys, prawn linguine. Give it a try. Give me the thumbs up. It makes me a little bit more committed to make sure I continue doing the videos. And consider subscribing as well so you don't miss out on these fantastic, easy, straightforward dishes. For now, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you here next time.